think last year there was this kind of a question for this one, where there is a variable. So there's a variable there. So you multiply x minus the root of y over x plus root y multiplied by x minus root y. Then you just expand, so you get x squared minus x with y, and then divide by x squared minus y. You don't simplify a thing, you just leave it like that. If it's rationalized and conjugate, it should not be due from any direction. Okay. Then we have question 14 here. Given the set x and y, check whether each of the operations is a binary operation on x and y. Also check whether the operation is commutative or associative. That's the binary. So if you're given set, you would always want to form a table. So I'll demonstrate on multiplication. So you put the multiplication here, and then get y 0, 1, 2, get x 0, 1. Then you start multiplying. Start multiplying. So 0 times 0, you get 0. 0 times 1, 0 times 2, 0. 1 times 0, 0. Then 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then they'll ask you, is multiplication a binary operation on x? So here you've done cross. You've done x cross y. This is multiplication here. So we're supposed to do them independently. Okay. So you can have combined them, which is the wrong thing to do. So let's do them separately. So let's do in y. So in y, multiplication, you have 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Like this. So we multiply, we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. If we have this, is it binary on y? So you say multiplication is not binary on y because 4 is not a number.
I have a question, sir.
Hello.
Is it okay if we show this work in the answer sheet? If at all they bring this question, can you do this table in the answer sheet, or you just do it on the screen? Oh, all right.
So it's not like this. Hello.
And when you use the table and when you just put as in when you just put numbers. Oh, it's okay. I think I know the answer.
What's the answer?
Is it not when you have been given an equation like then you use either plus or minus for multiplication depending on the question that has been asked?
So if you're given the kind of question 14, you use the table. If you're given the kind of question 15, you can't use the table.
Thank you.
So star is not binary because of a 4 that we have found, which is not in Y. For star, for multiplication to be binary in the state Y, all the answers we get on the table must be numbers coming from Y. So this is the A part. The B part, is it commutative? So multiplication here is commutative because if you do 0 times 0, I mean, if you do 0 times 1, you get the same answer as 1 times 0. So for as long as when you draw this line, all numbers on top and down are the same, then you know that it's commutative. But you don't say because all numbers are the same, you just say commutative because,
Excuse me, sir.
okay,
Why are you only using set Y to find if star is binary?
the question says check whether each of the following operations is a binary operation on X and on Y. So when you're dealing with X, you deal with X alone. When you're dealing with Y, you deal with Y alone.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
why are you saying it's commutative after drawing this diagonal thing?
because apart from the diagonal, because the diagonal is coming from multiplication of same number, isn't it? 2 times 2, 1 times 1, 0 times 0. So there's no switching. So the fact that we have same numbers on top and down shows that if we do 0 star 1, the answer is the same as 1 star 0. If we do 2 star 1, the answer is the same as 1 star 2. If you do 0 star 2, the answer is the same as 2 star 0. And that's what commutativity means. And we are checking it using the lines here.
So when you say the numbers that are on top and down are the same, which numbers are you referring to?
This. Top, down, top, down.
I still don't get it though.
So this, so when I say top, I mean after I draw this circle here, there are numbers on top of it and numbers down. Not if we say these three are on top, then these three will be down. So
Oh,
these
okay.
numbers are equal.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you.
So is it associative? You check. You want to check if A star B star C is the same as A star B star C. The difference is you want to check if this is the same as this. Put the bracket. So you go check. So let's pick 0 star 1 star 6 or 0 star 1 star 6. So let's see. What is 1 star 2? So 1 by 2 is 2. And 0 by 2 is 0. We are multiplying. 0 times 1, 0. Times 2, 0. So it means that computation here is associated. I think last year we brought this one in the test, in the exam. In the test, we brought this one.
In this final, they'll bring the first one.
So she has said this part will bring the first one.
Yes.
So she's speaking from the projected probably here. So maybe they agree. So it's too well to go through. Let's
So I think you've,
Hello?
Mr. Keith,
Yeah.
you're not very much audible. Like you're very low. I don't know if it's just my phone, but it's hard to get what you're saying compared to the first session.
Anyone confirms what I touched on? Or maybe we ask us log out and log back.
No, not like you logging out, like just maybe you've like reduced your voice a bit.
Okay.
Yes, like you've moved far from where you were at first, because at first you were very loud and then now you're a bit low. That's what I mean.
Okay. How am I responding now?
You're still low.
So maybe it's not take because I don't know anywhere far or near.
You've gone too far now. Like,
Now I've got
We can get you. I'm sure that person can just log out and log in again. We can get you.
I think it's just your phone because it's clear.
Okay, so try to log out and log back.
You can get him.
Okay. We're gonna find the process. If I was saying at 15 part 1, you will take care of this guy. If you have done several of these files. And make sure that you check if it's commutative, associative, and try to evaluate on this one. So you can move to 32. Okay, so sheet 2, question 1 says, state which of the following actions given by the arrow diagram zero are functions. It's something that you can all enjoy. Just don't get too excited. Make sure you check that all the elements in the first place are mapped. So it will be a function. And if you see two lines coming from one number on the left, you know it's not a function. Question 2. Maybe question 2 I can solve A part 5. I mean A part 4. When they say find the possible values of G of A equals to A, they mean when you go to G where there's X, put A and then equate to A. When it becomes a quadratic. And you guys are genius, you know how to put it like this. So don't just mess up. Always take care of this detail. They give mark. And then that's also okay. Question 3a, when they say g of x, ax squared minus b, if g of 2 is -5 and g of -1 is 2, find the values of a and b. You make simultaneous equations here. Okay, since there are so many concerns of this, maybe we can now if we come to the class of weight assembly, maybe we can maybe just do that, we do that, and when you come with something, you can really end the class when we join, you'll be motivated as the concerns are later. So 10 minutes from now, it is 20 to 10.